I was brought up in Te Reo Māori, and my partner was brought up in Te Ao Ōraki. So he was brought up in Wellington and went to like Catholic schools and stuff like that. And I went to kura, and we kind of had different views on how to bring our girls up. But as time has gone past, he has grown to speak a few words in te reo. Simple things like tikana tō pēke, whakamau o hu, kua praihe o makawe, all that kind of stuff, like getting our girls ready mainly. So it's been a bit of a challenge, only me being in te reo Māori and him in te reo Pākehā, but I think it's growing on him. So.
Right. And obviously he's learning alongside
Yes.
the kids with
definitely.
your modelling and your help.
Yeah.
Encouraging. Do you have a view on that, Hama, in terms of one parent, one language?
Yeah, so kind of experience when we sent the kids to grandparents, and so we had one like the dads, they could kōrero Māori, and then our mums, they didn't have the language, but similar to Shayla, they were able to use certain kupu to kind of prompt our kids, so it was all good. Yeah.
It worked, huh?
It worked, yeah. Absolutely.
I mean, those care routines with young babies are a perfect opportunity to incorporate the reo, and naturally in the things that you do every day, the changing, the tini kope.